what? This is in our own backyard. It's our little wonder of our world. Wanted to share it with you guys. For the you that have not been up here, it is a must come to. Come hang out. That way or that way? Let's go this way. We're going over the Chatterbait. Little blue. Alien and Croc.
I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Tight lines, baby. Tight lines. HPXL fishing. That's how we do. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, baby. HPXL fishing all day, every day. That's how we do it. Woo! Hey! Tight line! Court! Tight lines! Alright, let's get this beauty back in the water, guys. So today we ventured off to a little spot that I know of as a kid. Went down there and checked out the beautiful waterfall. Walked around the beautiful area. Ended up coming back down the hill to another little spot that I know of. And what do you know? Ended my skunk. Alright guys, hope you liked the episode. Stay tuned for more to come from the HBXL fishing family. Please like and subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications, and we out.